Okay, I'm about to do some slime pressing here, so I'm on YouTube. Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, ready? I'm Orion. Orion, they can't see you. Orion. Hold on, that was a fail. That was probably really unsatisfying. No. I'm on TV. You're not on TV, Orion. We're on YouTube. No. Yes. No, because I can edit you out, and that's what I'm gonna do. What?
Orion's not in it. I haven't got Orion's face yet. I've only got your face.
Why can't I be in it?
Because it's her YouTube channel. This is about to be crappy. Is it crappy? It isn't crappy. If it is crunchy, then put some lotion in it. She has some Victoria's Secret lotion over there.
Not sponsored, just saying.
Victoria's Secret.
Any more questions? So you can leave?
Dang it.
That's a fail. Let me put some lotion in it. This is probably not going to be.
You cannot have volume at all. No volume means no volume. It's not like a thin line if you turn that thing into volume.
Okay.
Crunchy, add some more slime. Add some more of that stuff in it. Why are some of your videos only a minute long?
I don't know. So we're looking at my videos right now. Anyways.
Her videos. Oh, her videos.
Okay, anyways.
And she's on her channel over on that computer.
You just died.
Look, just get on this computer. Just get on this computer. No, this one.
And then we're going to see if your new video's on there. I subscribe to Riley's channel.
Oh, go subscribe to Italia Giela's channel. Her brother has a channel, Logan Giela, just saying.
He only has one video.
That's sad, but
Because he can't make any more. Because he wants to go live on something, but it won't let him. Wait.
What?
Can you search up Logan Gielo? Or go down there to subscriptions right there, where you see the word subscriptions, and look for Logan down there. Look for Logan. Go down there and look.
okay.
And there was just a bubble up. Got hands. And there we go.
Do you hear that crunch?
My brother tried to go live. See, this is his video, his edited video.
Do you hear the crunch?
You should hear the crunch. If you do not hear the crunch, then go get your ears checked.
Oh my god. No, that's so rude. I'm so sorry.
Okay, we'll edit it out.
You should press Lincoln.
No, turn it. No, press cancel, press cancel, press cancel.
This is the best one ever.
Thank you.
It can go through.
Let me go to that hat. The hat. Any hat.
Boom. Right through it.
That one. The eraser hat. No, the arm hat. Where he cut off his arm.
That one.
Oh my god, it's right there.
Alright, ready?
Oh, this is the first one.
Press play.
Anyways.
And then press back. I feel sad for Logan. There's people behind him. It's very satisfying.
Yeah, it is.
Did the bubble work? Oh, it made a big old bubble. Oh, the video's restricted because it cut off the time.
I am so shook.
Oh, 5 minute crafts. You're watching 5 minute crafts.
Where is everybody else?
We cannot be in 45.
Yeah, you cannot be in 45.
Outside right here.
It is almost the end of our video.
Just saying. So first off, I want to tell you to go smack that subscribe button right in the face and give this video a like. Comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, and tell me if you want to see more of slime videos with my friend Natalia. Show your face, will you?
Okay, you gotta hold the camera.
Show your face. Hi. Okay. So I just want you to go leave a like on her channel and subscribe to it if you can. Hit that notification bell for me and her. Go watch one of her videos because they are awesome. And thank you guys for watching so much. Bye-bye.